Hey there, are you ready to learn about the assets that can make you financially free? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and strategies to help you achieve financial independence. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our future content. Now, let's dive right into today's topic. 10 assets that are making people financially free. Number 1, stocks. Let's start with one of the most popular assets that have been making people rich for centuries. Stocks. Did you know that a mere $220 investment in Apple stocks back in 1980 would be worth over $180,000 today? Stocks may seem complicated, but they're actually quite simple. When you buy a stock, you become a small part owner of the company, entitled to its growth and profitability. There are two primary ways people get rich with stocks. First, if the stocks you own increase in value, your ownership stake also becomes more valuable. For example, if a company's value goes from $10 million to $50 million, your 5 ownership increases from $500,000 to $2, 5 cents million. That's some serious wealth creation. Second, stocks can generate income through dividends. Many companies distribute part of their profits to shareholders, providing them with a passive income stream. You can either spend this income or reinvest it to compound your earnings even further. Stocks have undoubtedly been a powerful wealth-building tool. Number 2, bonds. Another asset that savvy investors use to grow their wealth is bonds. When a government or company needs capital, they issue bonds for investors to purchase. Unlike stocks, bonds represent debt owed by the issuer to the investor. If you own a bond, you're lending money and earning interest until a predetermined date. Bonds are considered safer investments compared to stocks since they aren't ownership stakes in a company. Even if a company's market value decreases, bondholders are still entitled to repayment. In fact, bonds can even gain value when stocks decline. They offer an average return of around 3 per year and are excellent for diversifying investment portfolios. Number 3, real estate. Real estate has been a proven wealth-building tool for many years. With the increasing population, the demand for housing continues to rise, creating numerous opportunities to generate wealth through property ownership. One way to build wealth with real estate is by renting out properties to tenants. This passive income stream allows you to earn money without ongoing work. Imagine receiving a check every month from your tenants while your property appreciates in value. Narrator. Another strategy is using leverage. Many investors take out loans to purchase properties, allowing them to buy even if they don't have the full amount up front. With tenants paying the rent, the mortgage gets paid down, and your equity in the property increases over time. Additionally, real estate values tend to grow, providing potential profits upon selling. Number 4, REITs. If you're interested in real estate but don't want the hassle of managing properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, might be a great option for you. A REIT is a company that owns and operates real estate properties, and investors can buy shares and receive dividends. Similar to stocks, buying a REIT means owning a share of a company that manages real estate properties. The company collects cash flow from these properties and distributes earnings to shareholders as dividends. REITs can be bought and sold on major stock exchanges, making them easily accessible for investors. Number 5, business. Building your own business is one of the biggest ways people are making money and creating assets. While it requires hard work and dedication, a successful business can be a significant source of passive income. Scaling a business allows you to systemize its operations, making it less reliant on your day-to-day involvement. This transformation turns your business into a valuable asset that generates income without requiring constant effort. Number 6, index fund. We've talked about stocks, but if you're not confident in your ability to pick individual winners, index funds might be the asset for you. Index funds are types of mutual funds that track a specific section of the financial market, such as the SEP 500. Investing in index funds provides instant diversification, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. Additionally, these funds have low operating expenses since they don't require active management. It's a great way to invest in the overall market rather than betting on individual companies. Number 7, patents or trademarks. If you have an innovative idea or creation, filing for a patent can protect it and open up opportunities for revenue. Companies may be willing to pay you to use your invention, providing you with a stream of income through licensing agreements. Trademarks, on the other hand, protect properties such as logos, names, phrases. By trademarking these assets, you can ensure their exclusivity and potentially license them for royalties. Many successful authors, musicians, and artists have capitalized on their copyrights, generating ongoing income. Number 8, digital products. In today's digital age, digital products have emerged as highly profitable assets. Celebrities and entrepreneurs have recognized the immense potential in creating and selling digital information products. The beauty of digital products lies in their passive income potential. Once you create a digital product, such as an online course or a book, you can profit from it continuously without ongoing effort. It's an excellent way to leverage your expertise and generate income around the clock. Number 9, copyright. Copyrights safeguard intellectual property, including books, music, and poetry. If you possess creative works with marketable value, you can license your copyrights for royalties. A perfect example is the renowned author J.K. Rowling, who continues to earn royalties every time someone purchases a Harry Potter book. Number 10, audiences and social media brands. Last but not least, we have social media audiences and personal brands. Social media platforms have opened up incredible opportunities for individuals to build audiences and create valuable relationships. With social media, there are no barriers to entry. Anyone with a smartphone camera can leverage these platforms to build income, generating assets. From sponsored posts to brand collaborations, social media provides an avenue for individuals to monetize their online presence. And there you have it, 10 assets that are making people financially free. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.